gets. Yeah,
because
not
the
somebody.
law is not going to bring creativity to you. It's only going to protect the creativity.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So not like the kind of charades that we see that somebody comes up and says he's designed one helicopter and the rest that can fly and the rest. And say, what is the innovation in this?
Yes, well, like we said, not everything is what protecting. If something is already there and then you do a prototype of what is already there, there's no way we can protect that. But once you are coming up with something that adds value to humanity, and it comes from your creative thinking and from your human creativity, yes, one way or the other, the law protects you.
But it doesn't seem to be enough information, to the people, or education, to the people about issues of intellectual property and even patents.
Yes, we understand that. A lot of people, that our people can kind of come out more and then do more if they understand more. And that is why on days like this, like the World Intellectual Property Day, we devote it to trying to get people to be aware. I am also aware that some of the agencies like Nigerian Copyright Commission from time to time try to sensitize stakeholders and people that in the creative industries that needs these laws, and they need to understand these rights that they have. A lot of us practitioners like us too, we go out of our way to organize seminars, to organize webinars at our own cost, just to ensure that people become aware of all of this. The laws are there. The laws have been there before you and I were born.
But they're not very well tested, except for a case involving Mobile Producing Nigeria Limited, some years ago, about patent right of, I think, a coating. You understand? It went as far as the Supreme Court. What I'm trying to ask here is that are Nigerian judges, the judiciary, well abreast of, the intricacies in intellectual property and patent rights?
Yeah, I believe that most of the IP-related matters are in the exclusive preserve of the Federal High Court, and I believe that most of the Federal High Court judges understand these principles very well. And when cases come before them, they do their best to adjudicate on them in the best possible way. So for that, I think I have confidence in the judges that they understand the laws and then they know how best to apply it. That I am sure of. I have confidence in the judges.
And retraining program for them?
Yes, I am aware that a lot of most times they are giving trainings. I think sometime last year I heard that some judges even went for a training outside the country on intellectual property, and I think that's very, very commendable. More should be done. Although we've been advocating for a special intellectual property court, it wouldn't do us any harm. Intellectual property is
what would be the advantage here? Nigeria is not a country of innovations and the rest, because the country is bogged down with too many socioeconomic issues, for a lot of the people to come out creatively.
I wouldn't say that Nigeria is not a country of innovation. On the contrary, Nigeria is a country of innovators. We have a lot of innovators here. It's just that, like you said, a lot of people are not aware that we have these rights, and a lot has not been done to make them aware. And also because they are not aware, and we're not doing so much to kind of bring these people
together.
They are having those issues, but with time, as they become aware and then they know that this is where it goes, this is what can be done, this is how they are protected, and then it's not just getting the protection. It's one thing to be protected, it's another thing to exploit it. A lot of people there are a lot of intellectual properties out there that are not being exploited and are lying fallow and lying waste. So if they understand how to protect, how to exploit, and also how to enforce, then they will be in a good way. Most of the trademarks that are registered in Nigeria are registered for regulatory compliance, which is not supposed to be. They are supposed to be doing it as a business and exploiting these trademarks to kind of better their economic lot.
Yeah.
But people don't understand. We hope that with activities like this,
that will go to the Ministry of Industry and Development or something, commerce.
But I will also say it. Yeah. Intellectual property is a private right. You don't expect the government to come and protect your house or your cars for you. So you have to do a lot to protect it and then commercialize it. The government is not going to tell you how to commercialize your property to make money out of it. So the government can only do some enlightenment program, but it falls on the rights holders to know that this and these are what they ought to do.
Well, I was going to say that around counters to the Constitution, where the primary business of government is to, protect, secure the lives, property of the people, the welfare of the people.
Yes, the government will protect, but to exploit it, it's up to you.
Okay, just finally and very quickly, what has the Nigerian chapter of the IP put in place for the celebration of this day?
Well, a lot of activities, many activities happening everywhere. I don't know, I attended one earlier, and then I'm here now. So a lot of things are happening in many places.
Okay, thanks very much. Mordecai Adejo is an intellectual property lawyer. I mean, nice to see somebody with a specialty in that area. It's a rarity, isn't it?
Thank you.